Hey everyone, thanks for joining us on this virtual platform. We're very excited to be here and to be meeting each and every one of you. My name is Carolyn Copeland. I'm an instructor and the owner of Monarch Ballroom Ponte Vedra. We are a full-service ballroom and Latin dance studio. We specialize in teaching adults how to dance as a couple. So, are you looking to add a little extra style to your first dance? Do you want to feel graceful during your father-daughter dance or your mother-son dance? That's why we're here today. So your wedding is full of special memories that you'll treasure forever. And having the stress of a first dance taken off of you, knowing that dance is going to come out exactly the way you want, can really just make things feel so much smoother. So whether it's something simple and classic that you want or a full-blown production number, we're here to take care of that for you. So personalized instruction targeted to your song, your dance, your style, and your vision for your day is what we are going to provide to you. We'll have you camera and crowd ready in no time at all. So as a guest today, check us out at monarchballroomdance.com. And we have two convenient locations right here at Monarch Ballroom in Ponte Vedra, which is the beautiful studio you can see behind me. And our sister studio is Monarch Ballroom up on San Jose Boulevard in Mandarin. So again, you can find us at monarchballroomdance.com. You can also find us on Facebook and on Instagram, and simply mention that you were here at this event and your first lesson will be free. So we look forward to seeing you on the dance floor. Enjoy the rest of your day exploring all of the options for your wedding, and happy dancing.